Ka GNC Central Executive Committee minta kesenikan Rioterik Uluber kelapilong da ka Black Flag Rally ha East Jaintia Hills District hakli riat ka belalong ru ka headquarters jong ka district wan persyajur ya ka jingtmu wan wanra e ka lintiral hari Jaintia ya ka rally lastang najan ka School Holy Family English School klirian balapin kut hadu ka office UDC badru kaladon ke jingalang balingkot hakmat umat jong ubo kyang nang ba.
Government College. We won. Government College. We won. Government College. Siapa itu kidang sa pagris yang mami no katulos dang ya karali. We reject. We reject. Wala nilang ng kiel kasur. We reject. We reject. Reject. We reject. We reject. We reject.
We reject.